Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. It has been quite a while since we did a POV drive on here, but I was like, you know what, you guys went crazy on all my POV drive videos, so let's go ahead and make another one. Our last POV drive video that we had on this channel was going through the Manhattan Tunnel, and you guys made that video go crazy. I appreciate all the recent support for you guys. As of right now that I'm recording this video, we're at 1,600 subscribers. Literally before I even started posting POV drives, I was at 700, which is absolutely insane. So thank you to all my new subscribers and everybody's been showing support recently. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see what we have going forward. And again, to everybody who's telling me why you doing this with a Camry, blah blah blah, why you modding a Camry, listen, it's my first ever car. I got into it. There's no getting out now. So we're just gonna build up our journey, see what next car we're gonna get, do all this stuff. I want to bring you guys along my journey. But again, I can't wait till we hit 2,000 subscribers. I appreciate all of you. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And yeah, man, we're gonna be doing a little drive. As you guys see, we got some lighting going around, done by KBTuning. It's a full panel replacement kit from KBTuning for any 18 or 24 Toyota Camry. It looks amazing. I love it. It's RGB flow. I can change it to any color I want, but I have it on red right now. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What type of video you guys want to see me do next? We're gonna go ahead and drive. We got like a 30-minute drive ahead of us. We'll do a little something, you know what I'm saying? I always tell you guys we're gonna go a little crazy, blah blah blah. Let's see what today's video is gonna hold for us. But yeah, man, let me know in the comments down below what type of videos you guys want to see me do next. But we're in a little parking lot right now. Let's get out of here. We're gonna be on the highway soon. But yeah, man, we're gonna put the thing in sport mode, maybe use manual mode too. And yeah, man, I'm gonna answer a lot of questions people had in my POV drives, like, is this thing a CVT transmission? Is it tuned? What does it have? Why does it sound like this? Blah blah blah. You know, all this stuff. We're gonna go through all that in today's video because I've seen a lot of questions. But yeah, man, let's head up. We're gonna take a turn in the street right here. About to get on the highway soon. But yeah, man, there's a lot I want to talk to you guys about, especially since we haven't really posted a POV drive video in a minute. But again, feel free to comment down below any questions, anything you guys want to see me do next on this channel. I do appreciate all of you. It means a lot to me, you know, how much you guys are showing support. There is a cop right here. I don't know if I should go behind him, but whatever. We're gonna go behind him. If we get pulled over, it's better content for you guys. Oh, what the hell? If you guys haven't noticed, I don't know if you guys see my driver window right now, the window literally to my left. It's literally almost pitch black. We got darker tints on this car since we do have tint exemptions, which shout out to KBTuning _ on Instagram. They hooked us up with tint exemptions for New York State. If you guys need tint exemptions, go hit them up. But yeah, man, this car, like, every day something new is happening or something new is about to happen. But oh, there's a cop right there too, man. This guy got no lights on. What's going on? We're gonna chill. I don't know if you guys see this cop ahead of me. I'm definitely not trying to get pulled over today. What's going on? I would, obviously, any normal person would go to the middle and try to go around all these people, but I'm not risking nothing for this cop gets really mad or whatever. You know, we shouldn't have no problems today. Let me just make sure I got my wallet on me. Oh shit, I don't think I got it on me. Fuck, whatever. We're good. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think of this ambient lighting all around the car. It's looking crazy right now. It is red. Let me see what colors and modes I can change it to. Ah, he's getting left lane. He's gonna see me. Whatever, we're gonna risk it, man. If he sees us, we'll get pulled over for the video. It's gonna be nice content. Don't get behind me. Don't get behind me. Don't get behind me. Oh, thank God he didn't get behind me. We're good. Oh, he's staring at me crazy. Oh, it turned red. Oh my God, it turned red for the left. Whatever, man. I'm not trying. I'm sounding like a bitch right now. Fuck it, yo. Damn, bro. I'm lightly gonna press the gas. I'm lightly gonna press it. Is he staring? Oh my God, he's staring crazy. Alright, he's not coming behind us. So we oh, I think there's a cop behind. No, we're good. But yeah, man, let's go through for one of the first questions that we had most in the comments. Is this thing a CVT? Now, the reason why I got this question a lot is because when I first turned on the car and I put it in manual mode or semi-automatic, whatever, how you guys want to call it, the S plus or minus, when I was downshifting, it was doing a weird downshift where it's like how CVTs do the fake downshift for you. But the only reason why it sounded like that is because the car wasn't warm. But if you guys watch the full POV drives, you would see that when the car actually gets used to the manual mode and downshifts, that the downshifts sound actually pretty good on this car, even though it is a 4-cylinder. But yeah, a lot of people were asking me, why do you put it in sport mode? Is there any difference? Is manual mode better than, you know, having it on D, is it better, blah blah blah, all this stuff. But basically when I put it in sport mode, it downshifts harder for me when I'm in manual mode, or even when I'm in automatic, it downshifts harder automatically, and it shifts faster, plus it lets me rev in each gear a little bit higher. But I want to do a video of my Camry versus a stock Camry. Like, you know, I have a lot of boys who have stock Camrys, so if you guys want to see a video of us going to like a off-road track, private track, and us going on the highway, I mean not on the highway, what am I saying, us actually like doing like a little drag race, a road race, stuff like that, just to see which car is actually faster and how much faster is my car, since it is fully catless and it is tuned on 93. You know, just so you guys, if anybody's interested in buying or modding out their Camrys, they can see how useless and how much money I wasted just to be a little bit faster, which I'm not sure exactly. I've only raced or drag raced off-road, of course, with my boy stock Camrys a couple of times. Obviously I beat them. I don't know if it was by little or by a lot, but if you guys want to see a video on that, we could do that for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. But if this video gets 500 likes, we'll go ahead and we'll do my catless tuned Camry versus a stock Camry. So get this video 500 likes and we'll go ahead and do that for you guys. But yeah, man, we're about to get on the highway right now. And honestly, I haven't drove on the highway for a minute, so let's see if I'm a little rusty cutting up. You know, it might be a little rusty. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm just trying to get some of these swim heads mad. Cause some people take this shit serious, bro. It's like, it's not a game to them. I'm gonna show an example of what I mean by the downshifts in a second once we get past these cars. A lot of you might be wondering where I'm going right now, but we were in Long Island. We were doing a little business, but now we're heading back to Queens, NYC. We're gonna go ahead and we got a little project coming for this car. There's something that's going inside of this car for the interior, which is gonna look insane. I did post a couple of sneak peeks on my Instagram, on my stories. So if you guys do want to be the first to see stuff, that like new stuff due to my car, or any updates and stuff that's going on with KBTuning, go follow my Instagram and the KBTuning Instagram. We post every day on our stories. So yeah, man, go follow us on there. You'll be updated on everything. But let's see what's gonna happen with us.
In 1 mile, use the left 2 lanes to continue to Northern State Parkway West toward New York.
I don't know why traffic is literally perfect right now. I don't know what's going on.
Continue to Northern State Parkway West toward New York.
I did get a lot of questions about my heads-up display that I do have on the car right now. If you guys are interested in this heads-up display, I got it from KBTuning _ on Instagram. It was pretty easy to install. Just a couple of panels you got to take off and put back. It's not that hard at all. But I have it on set on just showing my miles per hour and my RPM right now. But you guys can customize it to however you like it. I think it does show a couple other stuff. But yeah, I mean, it's not 100% accurate, but it's like on par with what I'm at right now. But it is, honestly, it looks amazing at nighttime especially. I didn't put on the reflective screen because I have windshield tint, so it shows a little bit, you know, it's better, it's a little bit darker. so the heads-up display shows even in the daytime for me, which is amazing. But if you guys are interested,
take exit 29A, I-495 west toward New York.
But yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this heads-up display for the Camry, yeah, the 18 or 24 Camry, go ahead to KBTuning _ Instagram. I believe I got it for something around like 160 or 180, something like that. But yeah, and then the what's it called? The ambient lighting I got for about $450. It's RGB flow, full panel replacement. It's literally just like OEM. It's simple, clean. It looks amazing. If you guys want that, hit up KBTuning _ Instagram as well. They can ship that out to you. Or if you like to get it installed by them, you can go hit them up, book an appointment for install. I just realized this. I told you guys I'm gonna put it in manual mode and show you guys downshift. I never did that. So let's put in sport mode. You guys are gonna see how the car is gonna downshift a little bit harder. So it's a little bit less than 2,000 RPM, but look at this. Ready? I'm putting in sport mode. Give it a second. Watch. You see that? It downshifted up to 2,000 and like almost 2,100. So basically in sport mode, it makes it so that it downshifts to like a little bit harder and to higher RPMs. I'm in sport right now. You see how high it's revving when I'm touching the gas a little bit? This guy's about to hit the wall. What is going on? This guy's about to hit the wall. He's drunk. He's drunk. Oh my God. Nah. We're gonna stay. Yo, we gotta get away from this guy. We gotta pass him or do something, bro. What was that? Yo, if you guys saw that, bro, there's no way this guy's not drunk or on drugs or on something, bro. Nah, what the hell was that? But as I was saying, it's sport mode. Basically makes it so it downshifts a little harder. It, you know, revs each gear a little bit higher. And yeah, there is probably a couple other stuff I'm missing, but that's the main things that you guys, oh geez, that's the main thing you guys probably want to know. But we're gonna put it in manual mode, do some downshifts, and hopefully the car is warm enough so you guys can hear how the downshifts sound. Damn, these bumps are crazy. Get bags, man, get bags, they say. But just before, I did upload a video pretty recently about going through every mod that I've done to this Camry. So if you guys do want to know everything I have done to this car, then go watch that video. But yeah, man, I can't believe how far we've come.
In 1 mile, use the right 2 lanes to take exit 29A, I-495 west toward New York.
Alright, so we got some pretty clear roads, so we're going to shift it over to manual mode. Oh look, it downshifted by itself. So you guys heard it downshifted pretty nice. But I don't know, I'm going to try to put a clip in this video of how it downshifts when it's not really warm. But let's get on the brakes and downshift again. You guys see how it downshifts like an actual, like it does it pretty quick. And it upshifts pretty quick, even though the car is pretty slow, but don't get me wrong, you guys, I in no way think this car is fast as hell or something crazy or whatever. But a lot of people like these videos, so I'm just doing whatever you guys enjoy. But
exit right to
yeah,
exit 29A, I-495 west toward New York.
As you guys saw right there, it literally just downshifted for me. Oh my God, alright. It is very dark right now. It's way too dark. But if you guys don't believe that this car literally has 8 gears, I'm literally, as you guys can see, S8. It's pretty cool. But we're gonna go ahead and downshift a couple times here. Doesn't look like there's much traffic, but we are 10 minutes away from the destination. Alright, let's get ready. Throttle response with this tune is actually amazing. Alright, I said it doesn't look like there's any traffic, but I lied. I don't know why people are driving really slow right here.
Continue straight for 5 minutes to exit 32.
What is like people in New York at NPCs, he's honking at me when I barely even went anywhere near him. see some Charger taillights up here, so let me just make sure it's not a cop and then we'll keep it going. Oh, it looks like it's a wide body Charger. Is that a Hellcat or is that a Scat? Oh, it is a Hellcat. You know, it'd be funny if he lines up, we could do like a little race, see if they're gonna gap the shit out of me probably. There's probably some guy just enjoying his car, he made it in life already, you know, while some dude in a Camry is speeding past him. Got another Camry right here. Okay, let's see what he got. Ah, it's TLC, man. It's TLC. Oh wait, hold on. Never mind, it's not TLC. But he's not gonna join us, unfortunately. The HOV lanes are cheap, bro. I swear, like. Don't get me wrong, during rush hour, there's probably so much traffic in the HOV lane, but for some reason right now, it's literally nothing. Yo, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing videos with me and like a bunch of, because we have a group of people that mod Camrys and stuff, or own Toyota Camrys. If you guys want to see a video of us doing the speed limit together, cruising on the highway with the POV cam on like this, let me know in the comments down below. I'm more than happy to do that for you guys. I definitely want to do some content like that. But if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below. But as I said earlier in the video, if you guys get this video to 500 likes, we're going to make a full video doing drag races, roll races, off-road of course, but just of my Camry, my Catless Camry versus a fully stock, not one mod done to that Camry. And we're going to see which one or how much of a big difference my car versus that car is. But yeah, let me know. I want to get that video in the works. I want to, you know, make it look good. I'm going to have a bunch of camera angles and stuff like that. It's going to look nice. But yeah, man. We're about to make it to our destination. But as always, I do really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's see if we can do some, let's see if we can get some action over here, man. Even though it looks like there's some traffic. We got to do some action before we end the video, man. Come on, let's see.
Lane to take exit 32, Little Neck Parkway, Douglaston Parkway.
Yeah, it's too many NPCs, man. We can't get no action here.
Exit right to exit 32, Little Neck Parkway, Douglaston Parkway.
That's the only action we're gonna get. But yo, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and post notifications on. We got a bunch of more bangers. I'm getting a little POV cam head mount, so I'm gonna have a better setup and everything. You guys will be able to see me looking at my blind spots,
in 1.1
and it'll be like
miles,
it'll be an actual, you know, you guys will like basically be driving with me. But yeah, man, I cannot wait. I do really appreciate all the recent support on this channel. Thank you all so much, and I love you all. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are new. We got a whole bunch of videos coming out soon. If you guys did enjoy, like the video, comment a video that you guys want to see me do next, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love you all.